If you look around you, there are people that naturally gain respect. They don't even have to say a word, but people will respect them. And there are others that will be begging for respect. Miserable. You see, respect is not something you beg. It's not something you run after. It's something you command. Respect is synonymous to fear. I don't care what others say. Forget about them. If people have to respect you, then they first have to fear you. Fear is what brings and gives birth to respect. You have to instill fear in people. Your presence has to instill fear in people to a point that they will naturally respect you. I'm not saying you should intimidate them. No. But you have to instill some amount of fear for respect to be accorded to you. How do you gain respect? It's very simple. Number one, exude confidence. You see, a man that exudes confidence is a man that naturally commands respect. When you walk, when you talk, the way you behave, the way you look at people, the aura you give out is what determines the respect you receive. When talking to somebody, it's very simple cheat code. When talking to a person, look them in the eye. And when they are talking to you, don't bow your head. Turn your head away slightly. Don't look them in the eye when they are talking to you. Looking somebody in the eye, talking to them, is a sign that you are above them. It's a sign of dominion. Unless you possess domineering aura, you will never command respect. How to command respect? Number two, speak less. Speak less. Somebody once said, even a fool, as long as he keeps his mouth shut, will be considered wise. Speak less. Anytime you talk, let it be something of importance, something tangible, something sensible. When you are in an argument, don't raise your voice. Speak low and speak few words. Don't be shouting over your voice. Don't say many words trying to prove your point. Speak less, speak few words, and speak with questions. Ask many questions in your argument. That's how you gain respect. Number three, be unpredictable. You know, people fear and respect people whose actions they cannot anticipate. That air of mystery brings in a bit of fear, and that fear is what leads to respect. Be unpredictable. Don't be an open book. Don't pride yourself in being an open book. That's foolishness. Then number four, be a man of your words. Make sure whatsoever you say, you do. That's why you need to adhere to rule number two, speak less. But when you say something, you should do it. The rule is this: you should say what you are able to do. Be a man of your words. Keep your words. Don't be breaking them. Your word is your integrity. The more people can bank on your word, the more respect you get, the more integrity you get. With these four keys, you will naturally command respect wherever you go.
If you want to level up on all sides, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell. Till we meet again, let's become better.